Hey guys, welcome to Rich's Mowers and Blowers. Psh, what do we got? What are we looking at? Well, this little Bolens 20-inch cutting with a 148cc, the 450 series, Briggs Stratton. So, you guys wanted a turd? Here's a little turd for you. And what is this on here? I've already emptied out the gas tank, and this is on it. So what is this for? Can anybody tell me? Because it's not for this, I don't believe. Because that's an oddball looking lid, but it could be. It says no E85, no E85. Now where does this little strap go to? I don't know. I don't know. But you guys didn't see that. I don't know. But it does match. No E85, no E85. Let's see if we can put it on a little straighter. That'll make a difference. That'll make it run better. Bum, 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 bum. Alright, so push to prime 3 times for a good time. This thing is like falling off. It probably just need to be tightened up. Don't know what's going on there. And I found this inside the gas tank, so I don't know what's going on there. Let's see if we can get this off. Alright, here we go. Well, I tried. Man, that's like the first time I've ever dropped something and found it that fast. Usually it goes into the black hole with the 10mm. But anyways, I got this little turd on the side of the road, and it looks like it has some turdish on it. What's going on in there? So we drained the gas out because it was nasty, and I did put a little fresh gas in it so far just to see what it would do and see if it would just freshen that up, because it made your eyes water. Alright, let's look down in here. This primer bulb, so you push that, it seems to squirt, huh? Seems like it should be squirting better than that. It doesn't, so it has to fill back up with air, and it's not getting much in there. See that? You just want to push it and push it, but it's, so something's going on with that. I wonder if this has anything to do with it that was inside the gas tank. I don't know, Rich. You guys can leave me a comment though and see what that little thing is. And I don't see if it's pushing any gas in there. We might have to put a little go-go juice in it. There it goes. If you push it hard enough. There you go. Jam it in there. Look at that. Let it come out all the way. Then jam it in there. You get some gas down in there. Spark plug. Seems like it's good. Not loose. And let's get all this crap away from it. Let's make sure the blade looks alright before we jam this on. Yeah, it looks straight. Straight enough. Since I'm slanted, it looks straight. Alright. Let's pull this turd over. See if we can do some turdish. Well, looky there. I'll be dipped, said Vice Grip Garage. Now, it looks like it's starting, so we got to do some little touches on it. If you guys know what this gas cap is for, if it actually belongs on there, and tighten this kind of stuff up, we'll wash it up, and I think that's all we need to do. Let's check the oil. go ahead and check this oil. See what's going on in there. Doesn't look too bad. I need a rag and we'll see if it's overfilled or anything. Alright, got that cleaned off. Their handy dandy rag. Let's go ahead and now here's a debate. Do you screw it all the way down in there or just dip it? Let me know down in the comments. What do you guys think? Just go like that. Let's pull it up. Oh my. Well, it's about an inch above where the little arrow is. So if you screwed it down on there, that's even gonna be even taller. I think it has just a titch too much oil. Never heard anything. Maybe scare the mosquitoes away. Yep, that's a true story right there, my friends. True story. So we'll have to get a little bit. It doesn't look all black though. Looks pretty good, I guess. And we'll have to get some of that oil out of there. And then clean her up. It'll be ready to go. Now there is one thing that's missing on the back here. Let's see if I got one of those in my junk pile. If you guys got any of those laying around, send me one. Alright, so we got the turd. Let's go see this before we put that away. See what's going on here. See what the filter looks like inside. Oh, it's yellow. That's what it's supposed to be. Actually a Briggs Stratton. So look at that cake on there. That looks good. We can probably clean that up a little bit. Put that right back in there. Oh yeah, that's salvageable. Alright guys, so this is Rich's Mowers and Blowers with the turd. Hey, what's that right there? Check oil, check gas, push primer 3 times, hold down engine control handle, pull the rope pull the starter rope 1 or 2 times. If the engine does not start, repeat steps 3 through 5. There we go. That is the way to do it. And we'll end on that note. This is Rich's Mowers and Blowers. Psh. We'll see you next time.